Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kuldeep here, and today we will see how to find the sum of element in an array. Okay, so let's start. Let me create one program here and name as the array sum. Select the main method from here. Let me create an array of integers. So I will write the int a, and let's keep some element inside it. So let's keep it as 10, 20, 30, and 40. And now let me create one integer variable as sum. Let's keep the initial value as 0 here. To get the sum of the elements which are the present inside this integer array, we need to first get the length of this array. We need to use the length function. So I will write the a dot length. Basically it will return the length of array, and as it will be integer value, so let's keep it inside an integer variable as int length. Okay, and now let's print the value of this length as well. So I will write this out, and let's keep as array length. Okay, so let's first see what is the length of this array. Simply right click, run as Java application. Okay, here we can see that the length of integer array is 4 here. There are a couple of things which we need to take care of. So basically the length means the total number of elements which are present inside this array. So we can see like there are 4 elements, hence the length of this array is 4 here. Okay, but indexing in the Java starts from the 0. So we can write it like the indexing starts from 0. There are 4 elements, but if we talk about the indexing, so 10 comes at the 0th index, 20 at the first, 30 at the second, and 40 at the third index. Okay, so we can write something like that. If length equals to n, okay, then the value of index equals to will be n minus 1. Okay, so with the help of this concept of indexing, we will access these elements one by one from this array. So let's see how we can access it. So I will write the for int I equals to 0. I should be less than length, and after that increment the value of I by 1. So to access these elements one by one, we need to use the indexing. So I will write the a of I, and let's add this with the sum value and assign it to the sum. So let's print the sum here as well. So I will write this out. Okay, so array sum equals to sum. Okay, so let's execute this program and then see what is the output of the same. So simply right click, run a Java application. Okay, so you can see like the array sum is the 100 here, right? And if we add these 10, 20, 30 and 40, so the sum is the 100 only. Okay, so let's see how things works here. For the very first time when the loop starts, the value of I is 0, and which is less than 4. Okay, that is the value of length. So the control comes here. Now it adds the value of sum, which is 0, and the value of the element which is present at the 0th index. So the sum becomes 10 here. Okay, now the next time when loop starts, the value of I gets incremented by 1. So again it comes inside this loop. At the first index, what is the element here? It is the 20 here. Now 20 is added to the 10, so it becomes 10 plus 20. Okay, which equals to 30. Again the value of I is incremented to 1, so it becomes 2 here. At the second index, what is the element here? It is the 30 here. So now it becomes 30 plus 30, right? And which means it becomes 60 here. Okay, and in the last, the value of I incremented to 1 again, so the value of I is 3. So basically it picks the element at the third position, so which is 40 here. So it becomes 60 plus 40 equals to 100. Okay, and for the next time when the value of I increment by 1, the value of I becomes 4, which is not less than 4. Hence the control comes out of this loop and simply print the value of sum, so which is the 100. So I hope you got the point here, how you can find the sum of the elements which are present inside a integer array. Guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.